Today, the business landscape is rapidly changing. The rules of the game are rapidly changing. However, in this situation, if you know the guiding principles to create a scalable, sustainable, and profitable business model, you can win the game of business on any day. Hi, I'm Amit Kumar Uparali. I'm the founder of Business and Wealth Hub, and I'm on a mission to help a million entrepreneurs creating a unicorn business, that is a business with a valuation of $1 billion or more, by accelerating their business model and their strategies while turning their top line into bottom line every 4 years or less. After underwriting more than 4,800 businesses and coaching to founders, CEOs, managing directors, and companies in the span of last 21 plus some years, what I have found out is if you have a winning business model, you can win the game of business on any given day. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 fundamental principles of creating the most successful, scalable, and sustainable business models. And if you stay till the end, I'll be giving you a gift also, and I'll be showing you the journey ahead. So let's dive deep in. The first principle is being customer obsessed. You have to be obsessed with providing value to your customers. Your sole purpose of your business must be to provide value to your customers, because when you provide value to your customers, it will change your customers' behavior from transactional to relational. If you understood this, type in customer into the comment box below. Number two is you have to be on a constant innovation. You will have to make innovations in your product or services. You will have to also embrace the change, because if you do not embrace the change, you will either become stale or your business will always stay mediocre. So if you understood this, type in innovation into the comment box. Number three is creating a platform. You need to provide your clients a platform where they can come and they can transact with you. You take example of Amazon, they're a platform. You take example of Uber, Ola, Flipkart, Facebook, Instagram, Clubhouse, LinkedIn. These all are the platforms where the customers come and they interact with them. So you also need to create a platform wherein your clients can come and they can interact with you and they can buy your products. If you understood this, type in platform into the comment box below. Next is, instead of selling your products and services in the traditional way, you need to sell the membership of an exclusive club of your fans. See, if you take example of Apple, with their product they are selling, with their cell phone they are selling music, iTunes, they are selling podcasts, they are selling movies. What they've done is they've embedded services around their primary product. So instead of providing your customers with this basic product, you need to sell your customers a membership of the private exclusive fan club, and you need to embed various services around your primary product. Next is, you need to make data driven decisions. See, data is the currency of the new age, and while we are talking about making data driven decisions, first you need to understand is this, that you need to have data of your organizations ready, because if you do not have data with you, you will not be able to make data driven decisions. So you will have to check all the data points and make informed decisions, because data helps you make informed decisions. Next is, you have to be sociable enterprise. What do I mean by that? See, being an organization or being a business, you will be having uh, some guiding principles, some values with you. You need to share those values time to time on social media. Even your top management needs to come on social media and they need to share your values with the public in general and your clients in particular, because this way they will feel more connected and they will come closer to your values and they will become your raving fans. Number 7 is, you have to be employee focused, because you cannot do business all alone by yourself. You need to attract talent, you need to retain talent, and you need to nurture talent. Without people, you are not going to have any kind of customer experience, client service, or your customer will not get any value out of your product. Because if your employees cannot give them the value, your customers will not be able to enjoy the value. So you need to create an environment, working environment, and most importantly, you need to create an organizational culture for your employees wherein they can come, survive, and then thrive. If you understood this, type in employee into the comment box below. Number 8 is you need to focus on your channels. See, you will be having your suppliers, your distributors, government agencies. These are all your channel partners. You need to focus on them also, because I have seen during my journey, I have seen many businesses who ignored either their channel partners, their suppliers, the distributors, and they fell miserably. And the worst part is that even today, even as on today, they do not know why they failed. So you need to focus on your channels also. The last thing is you need to be tech savvy. You need to use technology to integrate the things whenever it is needed. And by this, I do not mean that you ignore above 8 and just, focus on the technology. Sometimes entrepreneurs and mostly startups do this mistake. They focus, they get too much invested on the technology, and they do not focus on first 8 things. See, technology is a tool to help you. It is not a replacement of first 8 things. So you need to be tech savvy enough to integrate the things. It must be an integrator. Technology must be an integrator in your business. Whenever it is needed, you must be able to use it properly and profoundly. So these are the 9 steps, 9 principles to create the most successful, scalable, and sustainable business model. Now it comes to your gift. I have put a downloadable link of this mind map. This entire mind maps link I have put into the description, so that you can click on it and you can download it. You can take a printout of it. You can save it in your mobile and use as a guide to create your most successful, scalable, and sustainable business model. Now we come to the last portion, and that is to the journey ahead. See, if you are looking to create a business without beyond busyness, see, ultimately, if you are looking to create the most successful, scalable, and sustainable business, first, what you need to do is you need to disengage from the ground. Post that, you need to build your business model, then your strategies, then your strategic partnerships, and then you need to build your wealth. If you are looking to go into this journey to create your unicorn business, get connected with us. And I have put one of these ways into description below, wherein I have given the link of the Telegram group, wherein I am sharing we are sharing time to time updates. We are sharing tools, templates, and we are showing way to people, and you will be the first person to know if we have got something groundbreaking for the entrepreneurs. So if you are looking to grow your business, just click on that link and join our Telegram group, so that you can get all the updates before everyone else. With this, one more thing, if you like this video and if you want to know more, click if you are on YouTube, click subscribe button below, and press the bell icon. If you are on Facebook, Instagram, just follow us, follow our page, so that you can get regular updates like this. With this, I'm Amit Kumar Uparelia, and I'm signing off for the day. Bye.